So students, in today's video, we are going to understand to write what actually sells. We always need to figure out what product or service we want to sell and why do we want to sell. If you want that people should reach to your website or click your ad or read whatever you are writing or buy a product or service from you, then students, today's video is for you. By the end of this video, you will have a clear idea that what should you write in order to make it sell. So don't miss out any moment, it's very important. Go through in detail. For writing what actually brings a sale for you, you must know what is the product or service you are selling. Apart from that, you must be clear with the benefits and features. Students, step number 1 in writing a good advertisement, just taking one example, it is know the product or service you are selling. You must be clear about the product or service, then only you will be clear with the benefits and features. Once you have figured out that yes, this is my product, the second step is little bit of research that you need to figure out what are the benefits and what are the features of what you are selling. In this context, I would like to give you one example. Let's assume that I want to sell a smart TV and I'm taking few features as 32 inches smart TV and the second one HD, which is high definition. I'm just taking two random examples, students. Now the clarity of features depends on age group. If I talk about the image quality or the resolution with my mother, then she'll simply say, "Oh, what are you talking about? I don't understand." Same is the case with my grandmother also. If I ask her, "You watch a TV, you watch your favorite serial, favorite channel, then what is the resolution, what is the image quality that you are watching?" She'll be totally blank. I think same is the case with your parents or your grandparents. Therefore, the features of a particular product or a service vary as per age group. So how can you sell it? I just give you 1 minute to write a caption or a title using those features. The two features that I have told you, these are 32 inches smart TV and second one I am talking about the image quality, that it is high definition. Students, take a minute and write down your own title. So I hope that you have written now. Now students, here I would like to give you one example just to clarify the things more. Buy the new 32 inches smart TV, hurry. Now what I am doing by writing so? I am doing is, I am trying to sell the feature instead of benefit. The question that the customer wants to know why he or she should buy it. It remains unanswered through this caption. So don't write any title like this. If some of you have written it, try to understand the logic behind. We are not going to sell the feature, but we'll be targeting on selling the benefits. Now, how can you collaborate with the feature and yet show the benefit to the customer? For this, let us discuss it together. You can write, buy the new 32 inches smart TV to get 5 HD channels free. Now students, what I am doing is, I am making my customers realize that if they buy this 32 inches smart TV, they'll be getting 5 high definition channels for free. I think that's a better connect. Now students, if you have yourself added out something like this, that you will get this free, speakers free, accessories free or whatever free, then that's fine. In case all the students who had just written buy this TV with high definition image quality or something like that, don't write it. Now the task number 2 for you is, take out few moments and then try to frame the title using the two features that I have already told you. Your time starts now. I hope that you have written down. Now, if I were to sell and I were to generate some another caption for it, I would say, buy the new 32 inches smart TV to get Sony speakers for free. Sony is a good brand of speakers and I am giving it for free to my customers. Students, if you too have the same business field or you deal with the same product, only write the word free if you are actually giving your customers something free. If you are not giving, don't write the word free, because once a customer is attracted from the word free, then they will definitely approach you and want to get that free item. If you are not giving that, it is a negative impression of your business. Every person can be attracted by this. Now what I can do is I can give a TV accessory for free, as I told you. I can give some channels free, or I can give something else as a lucky gift or as a discount coupon to the person who buys this TV. These captions are perfectly fine, but students, imagine creating an ad using the logo of a TV and writing too much big lines. The only problem that I see is the length of the text is too long. We need to cut it short. In case I want to shorten up the text, I can say your chance for free Sony speakers. Either I can write this, or to be more precise and more short, I can write get free Sony speakers. Now students, if I am using the logo of a LED TV or a smart TV, under which I am writing get free Sony speakers, it is clearly solving my purpose, that I am saying the customer that if they buy this, they are getting free for this. And students, this is the human mentality. We are easily grasped by what we are getting without paying anything, without paying a penny. If we are getting something for free, then that's totally an advantage to us. Now, in case you think that you can add some new feature or some new discount or some new accessory, or you can give out something else, then you can try to create the headings for your product or services according to that. So now it's your turn. Figure out the product and try to give suitable titles to it.